Do you always struggle with applying eyeliner? If yes, then today I'm going to show you different ways to apply eyeliner. That too with quite ease. Now, there are different types of eyeliners such as pencil, glitter, liquid and gel liner. Different liners can be used to create different looks. Pencil eyeliners are used to create bolder lines and are a perfect option for beginners. Pen eyeliners are quite user-friendly with an easy glide, while liquid eyeliners are best for those who have mastered the steady hand. Bold single. I'm going to show you a very interesting and trendy style called bold single. It is best for people who have small eyes, and this style helps to give an illusion of bigger eyes. First, I will do a simple thin stroke of the liner from the inner corner to the outer corner. Guys, do not add a wing to the end, and there you go. We are done. This will make your eyes look bigger. Cat eyeliner is best for monolids. This eye shape does not have a crease, and you want to keep the liner as close to the lash line as possible, and then go for a thick, elongated wing. It really helps to give the eye some definition, shape and length. I will start by drawing a light stroke of the liner from the center of my eyes to the end. Then I'm going to do a straight wing, but I will keep it small. From the end of the wing, I will again come back into the center, and then I will draw a thin line to the inner corner of my eye. Once I'm done with the outline, I will make proper lines and sharpen them as much as possible. Do not overdo the strokes and make very crisp lines to make your liner look perfect. And always stretch your skin back with your hand while applying the eyeliner. How to apply Arabian liner. People who have hooded eyes should try this liner as it helps to create a stunning look. I will start by drawing the outlines first. This is a little similar to the cat eyeliner, but the only difference here is that in the cat eyeliner look, the wing is angled at the end of the eyebrows, while in this look, you keep the wing straight, pointed towards the earlobe. After drawing the outlines, I will work my way through the upper eyelid and then come to the lower lid of the eye. Now, I will go from the inner corner to the mid-lower lash line of my eye. Now this is how we will complete the look. Graphic liner. On a wing liner, just extend one line from the outer corner above the crease and you are ready. Make sure you curl your lashes. Last, it's time for a very important tip. When selecting eyeliner styles, a quick trick is to consider your eye color, skin complexion, age and even your outfit. Guys, always ensure that your eyeliner style complements with your overall makeup. Bold single. It is best for people who have small eyes, and this style helps to give an illusion of bigger eyes. Cat eyeliner is best for monolids. It really helps to give the eye some definition, shape and length. Arabian liner. People who have hooded eyes should try this liner as it helps to create a stunning look. Graphic liner. Tell me which eyeliner look you're trying next, and keep watching this space for more such content.